Don't be awkward. You're fine.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
You're totally recording. Alright guys, so I did an upload today of just the things that I've been doing around here. The weather has been shitty and I think we have like a hurricane tornado outside. So we're in here today. This morning I got a package and it is from my buddy Zach at Slam Panda. It is the stuff for the Jeep. It was so hard for me not to open this morning because he sent me pictures of it and it was absolutely amazing in the pictures. But I figured I would at least wait and open this for the first time in front of you guys. And I don't even know if I can get into it. Oh wow. It's a box in a box. I feel like a sound man and sliced my finger off. Packages in a box. Key tag. Big bag for nothing. This one. That one is. I know what that one is. I know what that one is. I know what this one is. We got the stickers. Slam Panda Systems. Slam Panda. Some more Slam Pandas. Another key tag. That's pretty legit. Look. It's legit like acrylic. That's dope. Which one should we open first? Babe.
I didn't know if you were acknowledging me or not.
Which one should we open first?
Do the biggest one first.
The biggest one?
Yeah.
Do you know what this one is?
No.
I know what this one is. I know what they all are. I placed the order.
Darn good packaging skills.
Huh?
Darn good packaging skills.
I'm trying not to cut into the acrylic. Not so much worried about the bottom side. This piece comes off. This is our front battery delete. It's all clear orange, or not clear, but see-through orange acrylic. Fucking send it. That's dope. Got some glue that I got on there. Once this is screwed into the front, you can see inside we got the 4 screw holes. I'll make them out for this to screw down to, and then I'll put this lid on there. And it all interlocks just like that. Now which one? Oh, there's our glue. You pick which one.
Do the smallest one now.
This one?
Yeah.
This is our RCA distro block. So I think it is. Oh god. This is called a slam box. It has a neo-magnet mount.
Way better than Velcro.
Shit. Oh god. I don't know why I did not expect that. And this is the exciting part. I think I'm more excited about this one than anything. This is our double bass knob. Built-in voltmeter and some LEDs. So you got the Sundown logo, got my logo, PRV, Pioneer, Crescendo, and the Slam Panda. It's neat as hell on the inside. Got the clear knobs on top. We've got one for our bass, one for our mids and highs. I think I'm gonna have to make it light up though for this video. Got 7 foot of lead. This is gonna plug directly into the box and directly into the head unit, which is amazing. Just amazing. Get this untangled. All the lead. I think we're gonna have to put some wires on here and go to the power block over there. Just see what it looks like.
A few moments later.
Yep.
Alright guys, so went ahead and got my power supply here hooked up. I'll go ahead and cut it on. This is what it looks like with the LEDs on. Nice orange glow. Got our voltmeter on the side, reading a solid 14.8. That's pretty dope. Oh, that's pretty fucking sweet.
Oh, yeah. You want to see the other side? The other side's got your logo on it.
Huh?
The other side's got your logo on it, right?
No, that's right here. It's on the front.
Flip it over. What's on the
The
other
other
side?
side's Crescendo and Pioneer and Slam Panda.
Still, it's a pretty cool background. Totally put that to dope ass music. You just flipping the thing around. You totally have to put LEDs in the other one.
Alright guys, so after this unboxing was done, everything turned out amazing. My lady over there, I don't know, what are you doing?
Cleaning. What I always do.
She's always cleaning. But yeah, I'm stupid stoked with everything that come in. I can't wait to be able to get out and work on the vehicle and start using these things and putting these things in the vehicle because it's just going to look amazing. Can't wait to fire this thing up and hear it. But yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Go hit up Zach at Slam Panda for your needs as far as bass knobs, distros, battery deletes, anything, pretty much anything that you need that's RCA or power related. Hit up Zach at Slam Panda. He does a phenomenal job. Things are amazing. So smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and hopefully we can get these in there soon. I'll see you guys in the next video.